A smart jacket that can detect if you fall and is battery heated? That's our Techstination. I'm Fred Fishkin. Joining us from PYKRS, PYKRS, based in Spain, is founder Juan Roca. Good to see you, Juan.
Hey. Hi, Fred. Thanks for having me.
And you're in Barcelona, right?
Yeah, that's correct. Barcelona.
Just wonderful. So you are a 31-year-old entrepreneur who's developed this jacket. Tell me the story behind it and some of your background.
Okay. Well, I started a little over 10 years ago with a company called iSmartGate. We do IoT solutions for garage doors and gates. We were among one of the first companies to develop a system to control your garage with your phone, and now it's controlled with Alexa from your car, from home speakers, Siri, and all the like. And 2 years ago, because of the pandemic, I had this idea of developing something new. And I had a friend of mine, Rafa, which is our CTO, who came in and told me that he was kind of making a jacket for a truck company with some lights. And because of his knowledge and my previous experience doing business, particularly in the IoT business, we decided that we could make a smart jacket for everybody. And that's when we were kind of looking for jacket designers via Upwork. And we got our first design. We implemented the technology. We put, let me show you the jacket. We put the light panels on it, and then there are inside the jacket a few heating panels that you can. Well, maybe you cannot see it because it's a black jacket, but that's it. And then we developed some electronics with fall detection. These electronics come with an accelerometer that measures the accelerations, and then there is a magnetometer that measures your position relative to the earth. So when you fall, it will detect that there is a high speed, there is high acceleration, and then that your position, probably you went from a vertical position to a horizontal position, so that this means you've fallen, and therefore it triggers this alert via Bluetooth to your phone. And then your phone from the app has all the logics to send the alerts in case you fail to respond to a message which lasts for 3 minutes.
So there's a Bluetooth connection between the jacket and your phone that's active whenever
Correct.
You have this turned on.
Yes, that's correct.
And that is running off the battery as well as the heating function, et cetera. Tell me about the kind of battery that you're using and how often it would need to be recharged. I suppose it depends on the degree of heat that you're using mostly.
Correct. We have a 4,000 milliamps battery, lithium ion, so it's rechargeable. And it's set to last for about 4 hours for the heating system, continuous operation. And then for the lighting system is about double the time. So that's about 8 hours. But let me make this clear. The jacket, if you go for the model that has both lights and heating, will need 2 batteries. We've designed 2 pockets specific for each battery, and then you can carry the batteries with you. These batteries are detachable, so when you're gonna wash the jacket, you have to remove them because they are not waterproof as such. And that's the battery itself. Sorry.
Are they a proprietary kind of battery, a connection for charging, or is it a standard connection?
Well, actually, we're going to use a standard connection. So let's say that if you are used to carry your own batteries, or you want to carry a battery with more storage, you can connect it to the jacket as well. It might not fit into the pocket, but you can power the battery from different power banks. The only thing is that if you use your own, there are some of the features that you will miss. For example, of course, the Bluetooth connectivity with the app. So the jacket is not app controllable anymore. And then you will also lose the fall detection system because one of the batteries comes with the electronics for the fall detection.
So that is in the battery, not so much in the jacket, and that protects it when you're cleaning the jacket as well, then I suppose.
Correct. Correct.
So tell me who this is aimed at. What market you're shooting for with this? Because I can think of a lot of different potential applications.
Yes, you're absolutely right. There are many applications for this kind of jacket. Our idea is, let's say that our company is more focused on the technology side rather than on the fashion side. So we want to share this technology among very different products in the future. We started with a jacket which is made for adventurers, for people that really look to have an experience when going on a hike in very chill environments or when going to ski. That's the main target. But probably in the future, we will also be looking at customers, for example, riding bikes or making some other, let's say, high risk sports where fall detection is and visibility as well with the light are highly valued.
Interesting. So you are on Kickstarter with this, and it's been a successful campaign for you. I think you've surpassed your goal so far, right?
Mm-hmm. It's correct. We did it 4 times already. So we are 400% funded, and we're halfway. So we're still waiting for the last days, which usually tend to be better than the first ones. So we'll see. We'll see how that goes.
Tell us of how pricing works in the different models that you have.
Okay, so we have 4 models. Out of those, there is one that only is based on the design, which is the PYKRS Lite model, which is now available for $174 on Kickstarter, and it's going to be double the price, so around $350 when we launch it. Sorry, euros. We are in euros. And then we have a second model, which is the PYKRS jacket. This jacket comes with the heating and the battery with Bluetooth connection. And it works with the app, of course, with the PYKRS app. And this is at $199, and it's going to retail when it's available in December next year at 399 euros, around 400 euros. And then we have the PYKRS Pro. This jacket is very similar to the PYKRS, but it comes also with the fall detection. So you get the heating, the fall detection, and the app connectivity. And this one is at 279 euros right now on Kickstarter, and it's going to retail around 550 in December when we start selling it. And then we have the PYKRS X Pro, which is the one that most people talk about, at least in the media and the comments we have on Kickstarter. And this one is the jacket that has it all. It has the lights, it has the fall detection, it has the heating. And this one is now for 349 euros, and it's going to be around 699 euros or 700 euros in December next year.
Now, the pricing is in euros, but can people from anywhere purchase?
Yes. Because of my prior experience, I've set a large network of third-party logistic partners that are willing to serve our products everywhere. So we will be able to ship in North America, particularly in the US and Canada, also in the Pacific, Asia, and of course, Europe.
What should your backers know about when you'll be shipping?
Well, our focus right now is on starting the production of the fabric because it's made in Taiwan and it takes a lot of time. So we need to order it as soon as the campaign ends, so we can have the fabric by mid-July, and by mid-August, after the holidays here in Europe, which is where the jacket is manufactured, we can start the production. Once the production starts, probably by the end of September, we'll have the lot ready. We will assemble that lot with the electronics, prepare all the packagings, and we will spend most of our time in November shipping all the goods.
So November of this year is when you expect to be shipping, in time for next winter, when we'll need the heat once again, right?
Correct.
So tell us what your thoughts are about some of the key obstacles that all businesses are facing today with supply chain issues and shipping, et cetera?
Well, it's tricky because I suffer this from my previous experience. You have to anticipate and you have to take risks. You have to understand that if you don't buy today, probably you will not get the goods in time. And even if you, let's say, make a mistake, it's better to make a mistake, but at least have some stock rather than because of maybe bargaining and trying to get a better price or better conditions, not getting the goods on time. So I think the key is anticipation and also being very, very honest with your expectations, because most of the time you think you will sell a lot, and the beginnings are always tough, and it's better to start low and then start building from the ground up.
Where can people go for more information?
To our website and our social media, and hopefully to the Techstination blog to see more about the jacket.
What's the website? Where should people go?
It's www.PYKRS.com. PYKRS without an E. It's PYKRS.
PYKRS.com.
Correct.
Congratulations on the innovation there, and we wish you success. Juan Roca, thank you for taking the time with us.
Thank you, Fred, for having me.